drive. So we enter in, we're in the kitchen. So we have washing machine, hob, oven, fridge, freezer, and into the living room. Lovely warm living room, double glazing, gas central heating, and we've got a nice conservatory in here with the dining space, carpeted, nice decor, and that's out to the front garden. There's a wee back garden and parking at the back, and then we have the cupboard under the stairs, good space, utilities, and upstairs we have 2 bedrooms and a bathroom. So more cupboard space, linen in here, bathroom in here, which is electric shower over bath, fully tiled bathroom. 2 bedrooms, so slightly smaller bedroom in here, really nice outlook, Bonington Drive, so nice open spaces. And into the main bedroom at the front, which has got wardrobe space. That's the view out to the front and the garden. And big space in here, really good size double. Bonington Drive.